Can't follow people on the X app anymore? Let's fix this annoying problem together right now. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Sometimes X temporarily blocks following activity to prevent spam or unusual account behavior. You may see the message saying you're unable to follow more people right now. This usually happens after following too many accounts within a short amount of time. First, check if your internet connection is stable on your smartphone device. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh your network connection. After changing networks, completely close and reopen the X app on your phone. Now try following the account again from their profile page carefully. If the error still appears, don't worry because there are more fixes available. Open your smartphone settings and go to the installed app section. Find the X app and open its storage or app management settings. Android users should clear the X app cache to remove temporary broken files. Cache data sometimes causes glitches and follow button problems inside the app. After clearing the cache, fully close the X app from recent apps. Reopen the X app and test the follow feature one more time. Another common reason is hitting the temporary daily follow activity limit. X may restrict accounts that follow too many users too quickly in one day. You should also make sure your X app is updated to the newest version. Older app versions sometimes create bugs with account actions and following features. If the issue still continues, try logging out from your X account completely. After logging out, sign back into your account using your normal credentials. This refreshes account sessions and can fix temporary app-related problems easily. Now return to a profile and tap the follow button again carefully. If the button works normally, the issue has been fixed successfully. To avoid this problem again, follow accounts slowly instead of too many at once. And that's how to fix the unable to follow more people issue in the X app.